Morning, guys. It's April 8th, 2020. Still in self-lockdown here with the corona, the bat flu going on. And did a video yesterday, and a lot of people saying, oh, do more videos of the online dating part two. So I got quite a few stories. I was thinking about one lady that I locked horns with, and some of the stories about her is really funny. So we'll talk about that one. I'm not gonna say a real name. I'm gonna call her Saddlebag Sally is what I'm gonna call her, and some funny stories that went on with this lady. It's like unbelievable, some of the stuff. But anyway, I'm not trying to offend nobody. I'm just kind of telling stories that happened in my lifetime, years ago, and things that I experienced. And I look back at it now and I laugh at some of the stuff that went on and how I reacted and how she reacted, and just some of the stuff I thought, and it's just funny. And I do it as a joking video and to try to get couple of laughs out of you, and hopefully you enjoy it. So, what, Molly? Come on, I'm trying to tell a story here. So anyway, let me get a snack for her. Oh, she got snacks here. Here, you got snacks. One thing about the dog is she's up there on the desk. She always wants attention. If I'm not paying her attention, she'll be barking. But anyway, let's talk about Saddlebag Sally. I think I met her on that POF site, online dating, Plenty of Fish, and I think she was on there. Come on, I'll let you down then. Yeah, POF, quality site you got there. Plenty of flakes. But anyway, she had pictures on there, pretty lady, and I'm not that tall. I'm like 5'7", so I'm not really a real tall guy. And I think she might have been like 5'8", 5'10", something like that. She was taller than me. Definitely, I kind of really looked up to her. She was taller than me. But anyway, she had nice pictures on the site, and sent a couple of messages and unread delete type of thing. And she finally, responded to me, and we were talking back and forth on there. And she, we decided to meet for coffee. And she was saying that she's moving right now, and she's having a hard time moving her stuff, and blah blah blah. And I said, well, I got a pickup truck. I could probably help you with moving some stuff. And oh my God, you're gonna help me? You got a pickup truck? Oh my God, she really perked up. Oh my God, here we go again. I've been down this road before plenty of times with the whole helping out damsel in distress. So go for coffee. She's nice, very pretty face, bigger than me, tall. Kind of got some saddlebags going on there. Big wide glide, and pretty girl, but that's why I call her Saddlebag Sally. And so I'm pretty flexible, so I could go there and help her move. So she tells me where the address is, and we meet there. And it's in the city. Houses all close together. Real little tiny house, like one level. And says back up over here in the driveway. I could barely back into this driveway because it's so skinny. And back up to the back door, and she says, all this stuff in here is going to get packed up in these boxes and go. And I mean, it was stuff everywhere. Like the counter, all on the countertop it was dishes, and some of them weren't even clean. They were inside like the sink. And I mean, glasses and plates and stuff everywhere. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I walked in, I was like, wow, holy shit, look at all this stuff. You're going to need 2 18-wheelers and 20 guys to move all this stuff. And here she is getting me, dumbass, going over there to help her out with a pickup truck, right? So, after about 20 minutes, I'm parked. She says, oh, take all this stuff off the counter and put it all in boxes. So after about 20 minutes or so moving boxes and stuff, my attitude's starting to change. I'm starting to take this stuff and just throw it in the box. I got to get the hell out of here. What did I get myself into, So dishes and all, not even clean, throwing them right in the box. She starts getting all pissed off at me. She says, I wouldn't worry about it. By the time you use this shit again, all the flies and stuff will eat all this stuff off the plates. I wouldn't worry about it. You didn't even clean none of the plates. So here I am hoofing all this stuff. We got my truck all loaded up with flipping boxes. I mean, stuff that I would have just thrown out, like baskets and, paper cups and all kinds of junk. Just throw this shit the hell out. But anyway, so she's got she's got this storage container that is down the road, about 20 minutes down the road, and I'm following her. Old Saddlebag Sally. She's taking off like a bat out of hell. Like, lady, you better slow down. She's going through lights and everything. And I'm at a red light, and she's just taking off, driving like a flipping mad woman. It's like, holy shit, I could barely even keep up with her. But anyway, I get to the the storage container, and we back up, and it's one of these double door ones, and I mean, well, she's got the big ass storage container, right? So let me open the door, and then you could back up to it. And my truck's full, full, really high. She opens up the flipping doors, and balls and basketballs and beach balls are rolling out of the flipping thing. It's like, holy shit, this thing's already full. How are you even gonna pack anything else in there? Like, it's going like right from the door all the way up, and it's like 8 foot, and I mean, that thing is just stuffed. And I got a whole truckload of stuff gonna go be put into this thing. So just back up over here. I'll get halfway up on a pile, and you can throw the stuff to me. It's like, holy shit. Here I am hoofing the boxes at her. Some of them are hitting her and falling apart, and there's shit going everywhere. It's like, I just wanted to get the hell out of there. It's like, old Saddlebag Sally. I didn't want nothing to do with her after that, That's, if you ever go on a date with someone and you think you like her, go help them move, and then you see how you really like them. Holy shit. It was too funny. Oh, my God. Oh, Saddleback Sally. Then I didn't talk to her. After that, I was on. I wanted to just get the hell away from her, It's like all the stuff that she had packed in there and shit. Oh, my God. So I didn't talk to her for a couple of months. Maybe 3 months go by, and one night at home drinking beers, After about 8, 9, 10 beers, start scrolling through the old contacts. Oh my God, it's Saddleback Sally. She was quite the looker. After about 8, 9 beers, you're seeing this. Man, she was quite the looker. I shouldn't have let her go. I shouldn't have let her go. So here I am texting her, right? And then we connect back up and go out to eat dinner, And she's one of these serial dinner daters, You get. Oh, I'll meet you down there at Pub 99, and you can buy me my supper, and then then on her way she goes. She gives you a little kiss on the cheek, and on her way she goes. After about 6, 7 times like that, I'm saying to myself, just using me for a flipping dinner date. Here I am paying for her flipping meals, right? Saddlebag Sally's over there getting these free meals off me, and just taking off. I mean, because we live so far away, she'd meet like halfway for dinner, She'd get herself a nice dinner, a lobster plate. I say, here I am, stupid ass, paying for all this shit, She had me hoodwinked. So then, I didn't talk to her for a while. 5, 6 months later, home again, drinking beers at night, looking through my contacts. Oh my God, old Saddlebag Sally. She was quite the looker. I should have never let her go. Oh my God, it was too funny. So here I am calling her up again. Oh, now all of a sudden she finds out I'm a plumber, right? And too funny. She finds out I'm a plumber and she needs a plumber. Now, come to find out, she's living in this trailer. She's trailer trash, living in this trailer park, next state over. And I go over there, and it's like flipping nasty, living in a flipping trailer with dogs everywhere. And she needed to have her shower valve fixed, but she didn't want to tell the landlord because she hasn't paid rent in like a year, and the landlord's been letting her stay there. So she wants me to fix this trailer park bathroom. So I said, I'm a plumber, I could probably do it. So I go in there and look at the shower valve. She got a pair of vice grips on the thing, to shut it off. So I said, I'm going to have to change the whole valve. I don't even know what kind of valve that's in one of these trailer parks, like a trailer home. So I said, I'm going to have to go in the back, and then maybe if I can get to the back of the wall, I'll, change the whole valve out. So yeah, we can get to that. No problem. We'll go walk around back, walking around all the dog shit and stuff, and the flipping neighbor's dog's trying to get at me. He's on a chain, and Bailey just can't bite me, and I can walk by this flipping. So she goes over and opens up the door in the back of the trailer park, and that's where the water heater is. The water heater's taking up the whole space. There's PEX pipes everywhere. So for me to get that shower valve out, I'd have to remove the water heater, and there's PEX pipes everywhere. I mean, what a flipping joke. So I'm saying to myself, this ain't gonna happen. I mean, this is a freebie. It's gonna end up costing me money, and she ain't got no money to pay me. She ain't gonna pay me. So I ended up getting out of there on that one. And kind of felt bad for the lady because she was one of these ladies in all kinds of welfare programs and working under the table for this guy she dated back in the day, and he pays her cash, and she goes there and drives there, and she's telling me all these stories on and on and on. And so I kind of felt bad for her. I said, I got a bunch of scrap copper and stuff. Maybe I'll just have her come over here on a weekend and cut the copper up, and I'll just give her cash for it. I kind of felt bad for her. But she had arthritis and bad hips and all kinds of. I mean, she ain't even going to be able to pick up a piece of copper. So, poor saddlebag Sally. Yeah. I think I got her blocked on my phone now. Yeah, but I think one time we went out to a couple of dates. Over the years, I always keep reconnecting with this psycho chicken. And I think one time she paid for a movie with me. And one time. It's like I don't think I even ever kissed this lady, but she got a lot of free meals out of me. Oh my God, yeah, like a serial data just for meals, unbelievable. Yeah, old saddlebag Sally, and then after a couple of times that I met her, she was like twice the woman I first met. She's like, holy cow! You walk behind her, she kind of walk like Magilla the gorilla, the way she had the move. She looked like a Magilla gorilla from the back. It's like, holy shit! Only in America. Online dating part 2. Hope you enjoyed it.